Okay guys, let's do a more difficult percent composition. The other one was so easy. Let's do this one. It says find the mass percent of water in zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Whenever you have that dot and then a number, you're going to use those prefixes you were given for your two nonmetal naming. So 7 was hepta, and then for the water you just say hydrate. So we want to find the mass percent of water in this formula. So just like in the last one, we're going to have to find the masses of the whole compound and the mass for water. So let's start with water. Hydrogen, I have 2 of those times 7, giving me a total of how many? You got it, 14. And for oxygen, 7 times 1 is 7. And for zinc, I have 1. For sulfur, I have 1. And for oxygen, I have 4. Notice I have oxygen on here twice. I want the mass for the water separate from the mass for zinc sulfate, so I want to have that separate. So hydrogen is 1.008, oxygen is 16.00. I can go ahead and write that in both places. We've used sulfur a couple times now. It's 32.06. The only one I really need to look up is the zinc. I know it's around 65, and it's 65.39. And again, these are going to be multiply signs. Okay, so let's start multiplying. So 14 times 1.008 equals 14.112. 7 times 16 equals 112.00. And that's just going to be 65.39. That's going to be 32.06. And that's going to be 4 times 16 equals 64. So the total for the compound is going to be that last number plus 32.06 plus 65.39 plus 112.00 plus 14.112 equals 287.562 grams for my compound. Now I need to know the mass of water. And it's going to equal just the sum of these two numbers, so 14.112 plus 112.00 equals 126.112 grams of H2O. And as we did before, we will take the mass of water and divide it by the mass of the compound. So mass of H2O divided by mass of the compound times 100, and that's going to be 126.112 grams of H2O divided by 287.562 grams times 100 equals, so 126.112 divided by 287.562 equals, times 100 equals, and that's going to be 43, and we had, let's see, 5, 4, looks like we need to go to 4 significant digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that 5 has another 5 after it, so we'd round that up to 6. So 86% H2O. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about that one. I will, of course, be going over more of these tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.